So it's no secret that we're up here in New Hampshire, and I had a buddy move up here from Australia. He lived up here for like 8 years, and he said to me, he goes, "You guys have a tough life up in New England. I'm moving back home." No word why. He ended up moving back to his house in Australia, and we communicate all the time. But yeah, when you live in New England, there's always something falling down, always something ripping off your house. Just when you make that fix and you sit on the couch with a beer, 15 minutes later, something else breaks. So the things I put on the channel will help you fix just that. So let me show you how I fixed this fence, and we'll get rolling with that. So what happened to me is I came home from work one day, and this post on the fence was laying over, and the fence gate was about to come open. Well, we have a golden retriever, Shannon. She's in some of the videos, and we didn't want it to escape, so I had to fix this fence post really quick, and I had to do it because it was going to start to rain. We had a big windstorm coming. So what I did is I grabbed my cordless drill, and I had some 3-inch deck screws. I had some scrap wood laying around in the garage. I had a big long piece of wood. I think it was like an 8-footer or something like that. So I cut this in half. I used my deck screws to screw down and through this 2x4 into the fence post. And this is probably the worst possible place to have a post break right on the gate, because you're always using the gate. It's open, closed, and you need to go in and out a million times. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make the piece of wood they use, whether it's a 2x4 or whatever it is, come down at an angle so that it puts pressure on the post. And I put a couple of deck screws on the top. You're more likely need to come in at an angle so they catch the post, so it goes through the wood, catches the post. You want long enough screws, and do this on both sides. So if we open the gate, I did the same thing on the other side. And again, it's not pretty, it's a temporary fix, but what this really did is it really helped to shore up that post and to keep it in place. So if I go to it and I wiggle it back and forth, it doesn't move because I have the 2 A-frames supporting it and putting it in place. And now I can get through the winter. I can replace this entire fence in the spring or whatever. The fence that I have up, it's a 15-year or a 16-year-old Home Depot fence. It really had lasted a long time. I didn't pay a whole lot of money for it, and it's a pretty good sized area. So I mean, it's going now, but it has been up for about 15, 16 years. So with this video, I kind of wanted to show you how to get out of a bind, kind of like a short, easy fix. Tell you what to do. It may be something you might not have thought about. So you might come home from work and be like, crap, the fence is down. What do I do now? I get snow coming. I have like a windstorm coming. That was my case the other night. I literally had a half an hour to work with. So I hope this helps you out. If you have any comments or have any other suggestions or tips for our viewers and subscribers, leave a comment and we'll post them up for you. We'll reply back if we need to. And continue watching. We like having you guys on the channel. Take it easy.